guys, welcome to the most unplanned video I think I have ever made. So here's the deal. Basically, I am going to a Halloween themed thing later today, and it's been so long since I have done anything Halloween related on this channel, so I thought I would just turn on my camera and take you along in the process. This is by no means a tutorial. I'm just gonna be sitting here chatting with you, doing my hair and makeup. I just wanted to do a little casual, chat with me video. The costume. I am wearing a pretty generic goth long black lacy dress thing. I will show you the full thing later, but I have corset as outerwear and everything, long bustled skirt, lace and stuff. So I was gonna go for historically ambiguous widowed ghost type thing, makeup and hair, but then Robert actually suggested Bellatrix, and I have already done Bellatrix, but honestly, she is one of my favorite kind of costumes and one of my go-tos. I will take any opportunity to transform myself into Helena Bonham Carter, as you may know. I think I'm gonna start with the makeup just really quickly and then use whatever time I have left to do the hair, because the hair can take a long time. Bellatrix hair is wild. I'm gonna need to do loads of little curls, so I'm just gonna do makeup first. I'm gonna start with a foundation base here. I just want to take a moment to complain about the fact that the Harry Potter movies are not on Netflix in the Netherlands. They did put up Fantastic Beasts 2, I think, Crimes of Grindelwald, but we wanted to watch that, so we wanted to watch Fantastic Beasts, the first one, first, but that wasn't on Netflix, so they only have, out of the entire franchise, The Crimes of Grindelwald, which is just so random. I am using a foundation that I haven't used in a long time, so it's all dried up. I haven't used foundation in forever. I only really use that BB cream type stuff. It's been a long time since I've done any type of full face makeup anyway. Gonna add some concealer. Yeah, let's do concealer. I was just thinking, does Bellatrix have eye bags? But I don't think there's... well, maybe she... oh well, I'm just gonna do it. Can always paint it over later. I know some of you have been wondering why I don't really do Halloween content anymore. The reason is mainly that there isn't really any Halloween in my life at the moment. We don't celebrate Halloween officially in the Netherlands. We don't have any tradition of Halloween. And it's only become a thing in more recent years, but that's all just, USA influence. So it's not really embedded into our culture at all. We don't have kind of, events or things. Trick-or-treating is kind of starting to come up, but also we don't have that tradition. So Halloween parties aren't really a thing. And when I was in university, I studied Celtic languages and culture, for whoever doesn't know, and we did Samhain celebrations, and we kind of did it Halloween-like, so people would dress up and stuff. I did have some Halloween, around this time of year. Then I'm just using some powder here. But after I graduated, there haven't really been any Halloween events for me to go to, and I had also, kind of, if I'm honest, trained my ideas, because I used to do several Halloween videos a year, and I just kind of ran out of ideas. So that's why things have been quiet over here on the Halloween front. Alright, let's do some contouring. Let me pull up a picture, actually, of her. I'm wearing contacts, by the way, for this, so I can actually see my laptop screen and my face, which is amazing. Usually when I do these videos, I can't really see when I take my glasses off, but now I can, so that's great. Oh, she definitely has eye bags. Alright. I really need to get myself one of those birds skull necklaces if I want to keep doing Bellatrix cosplays. I'm gonna try and make my jawline more square, accentuating the shape here. And then maybe I need a smaller brush to do the inside. Let's do some cheekbones. I'm actually gonna do, let's see, this white along the bottom of my jaw. again to make that look more prominent. Ta-da! Jaw fillers! Isn't it amazing the things you can do with makeup? I'm gonna do some highlight here. Gonna do some nose contour as well. That's always a bit nerve-wracking, but hey, let's just go for it. Maybe I can sharpen this jaw even more. Alright, now I need some colored... I didn't bring any colored eyeshadows. Be right back. I'm gonna use this palette because she has definitely some red around her eyes. So I'm gonna use this burgundy brownish color. I think that's perfect. And it's mostly here. I'm gonna take a lighter color. That's gonna go up top. Let's just do the entire eyelid actually. Around the bottom. Okay, I think we're doing quite well so far. Let's do eyebrows next. So that I get a bit of a better idea where we're at. I'm gonna do a bit of eyebrow gel, I think, because her eyebrows are a bit thinner than mine. Let's do mascara first and see what it looks like, and maybe I need to add eyeliner afterwards. I'm trying to kind of brush my lashes down because she doesn't have super curled or noticeable top lashes. Maybe a little bit, but she does have very clear bottom eyelashes, so I'm definitely gonna do those. I have this darkish red lip pencil here. I'm going to start by connecting the Cupid's bow. That's a pretty big part of the Bellatrix look. And I'm overdrawing just a little bit. Okay. I'd say we're looking pretty Bellatrix-y. Maybe the lips are a little bit dark. Maybe if I go over with something brownish. That doesn't necessarily lighten it. It does make it a bit less red though. Okay, I'll come back to the lips later maybe, but I think for now I should maybe... no, I need more shadow in this corner here. Let's do contour powder, yeah. I think it's time to move on to hair, and then I can always come back to the makeup, see how much time I have left. So I have my smallest curling iron here, which I'm gonna turn on, and I'm just gonna do tiny little curls in all of my hair. And I also have this white hairspray that I think will be perfect to do that little, streak that she has down one side. Let me get some heat protector. I also forgot to bring that. I have my table full of stuff, but I forgot some essentials. I think I'm gonna start at the bottom and just do all of the hair bit by bit, taking tiny sections. You know what else I forgot? My heat resistant glove. Whoops. I will need that though. You know what? I think I'm just gonna curl my hair off camera because that's gonna take a long time. And then I'll come back when I'm ready to finish off the look. Okay, hair is curled. While I'm waiting for that to set before I brush it out and backcomb it and everything, I kind of really want to do a dark mark tattoo thing. I think I'm just gonna draw it with eyeliner. It's not super complicated, but it has that kind of braid design stuff that I'm really bad with. Snakes in general are just not my forte. Oh, and I also need to make it upside down, right? Let's start with the skull. Maybe, let's download this image and flip it upside down. That's smart. There we go. Maybe it's easier to draw now because it won't mean anything. or not as much. Oh, there we go. That wasn't actually so bad. You know, doing this upside down was a good move. That really helped a lot. It's a bit wobbly in places, but still, not too shabby, I think. Quite happy with it. Ta-da! Oh, I can't really show you. There we go. Dark mark. Sorry about the sound in that last clip, guys. I keep forgetting to turn on my microphone. Hope it wasn't too horrible. Anyways, we're back. Let's do the hair. I'm so happy with my little dark mark. I'm just gonna brush out these curls first. We want maximum fluff. And then I'm gonna back comb. Oh, these curls are a little bit big. Let's not accidentally do a vintage brush out. But I don't think it'll come to that. Okay, I'm gonna back comb around the top. Okay, so it's a side part-ish. Needs to be big in the back. I do think there's some kind of bun in the back here. So I might just do that. Not sure when to go in with the white streak. Needs to be much bigger here. Okay, I also need to separate as many of these curls into little tiny curl clumps. As much as possible. Okay, let's just go in with the white. I hope this stuff is still good. I've had this for years. I have no idea if anything will even come out, but let's go. How do I do this? Maybe let's separate out this section of hair and do it like that. Oh, that is effective enough. I like it. Okay, so then let's do some type of bun back here. Bunch this up top, grab a hair elastic. I'm gonna hairspray this. There we go. And I'm actually gonna do Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray on that dark mark that I just did, because I don't want that to come off. Let me open a window now. Okay guys, last thing is the rest of this outfit. So let's do that. Okay guys, here is the finished look. Makeshift Bellatrix costume. I don't think it's too bad. It's made up of all kind of stuff I already had. I, of course, have my dark mark here, which I'm actually really happy with. And I do also like how the hair and makeup turned out. So I am ready for my Halloween themed thing that I have in a few hours. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Sorry it was so random. Maybe you got something tutorial-ish out of it anyway. I do think it turned out quite nice. Thank you for watching, guys. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. I hope you have an amazing Halloween. Let me know what you are dressing up as. I'm really curious to know. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys!